Wow. How are you feeling about your little burrito?
Great about it, mate.
Your little burrito.
I'll start doing some more vlogging.
Right, so we are in Earth Cafe and the food looks absolutely fantastic. Sam said it was a must because he's obviously an experienced veteran of LA, but to be fair, I got loads of really good reviews of it. So went for the breakfast burrito. I'm gonna tuck it in because I'm actually starving. But last night went out, partied at Poppy's, and went to this amazing restaurant for Sam's birthday called Isabel. But didn't really get a lot. I'm gonna put one clip in before this, but apart from that, it was a sick night. But I'm not gonna carry a full-on vlog camera around the nightclub. So I'm gonna take the breakfast. Don't be cheating, because I will turn this car around and no one will go to Muscle Beach. Right, like I was saying, we're at Muscle Beach. In fact, we're not going to Muscle Beach, we're at I fucked up because the battery is on low battery and I don't think the other one's charged. Oh no.
So Adam Collard's officially in his element now.
Mate, I am element to be fair. Joe Biden.
Arrived at Muscle Beach. It's pretty cool. You got it, Mr. Muscles. You got it, boy. You got it. Go on, son. Go on, son. Yes.
Oh my god! Right, the situation is, I'm going to be really quick. I'm really hungover because last night we had the sickest night ever. Went Avenue, couldn't really film there, but shit got really interesting. Went back to a sick gaff. Gonna put that clip on the next one. I thought that I was gonna drive 4 hours to go to Vegas because I'm the designated driver, right? So I was absolutely hating life before, and I've just found out that Sam has booked us a private jet to go to Vegas from LA.
Hang on, 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's really super cool.
know there's one way in my heart. It is a cheesy, spicy beef omelette in Oreo pancakes to go with it. I mean, this is the way of my heart. Just in case anyone wants to take notes, this is the way of my heart. Gotta get involved.
Come on, let's go. I'm on a roll. I only need $1 in my pocket. A track to go. Just let it mold into your hands and watch the love turn it into a locket. Stay on the move until the moon goes round and round and round.
We are on the hill, doing a little bit of hill cardio. Come on, we'll walk a little bit faster.
Alright.
Come on, catch up.
Yeah, alright.
So,
I've got a cold.
We are trying to not have a heart attack because of the copious amounts of alcohol we drank this week while getting to the top of the hill and have a look at these beautiful Hollywood signs.
There it is.
I mean, we thought we were going to have to do something illegal and jump a fence or something. It turns out there's actually just a door, a little gate. So that's that, really. So here it is.
Isn't it Will Smith or something? Will Smith has a date, is it?
No, 90210.
What?
Did you watch that?
Yeah, that's it. Girls were fit.
Mate, we're going up. We are going up. Right. Sam seems to think that, well, basically we've found a trail run that is not an official trail run, so it is definitely not meant, you're not meant to get this high, I don't think, because nobody's here. But anyway, Sam seems to think that if we go and touch the Hollywood sign, that we'll probably get locked up because the helicopters come and check on you. Now,
There's cameras on the sign, and when soon as there's someone there, they get home.
really?
That is a thing.
I think you watch too many movies.
I saw it on the 90210.
Oh god.
There's literally a camera right there, look.
Is that fuck?
I told you, that's what I mean. Imagine if you went to get touch the sign.
I reckon I would have made it before. So basically, right, basically, this is that there that I zoomed in. That is the D of the Hollywood sign, so we're actually above the Hollywood sign. Now, we've just been told off by the police. Just been told off by the police for coming up here. So we're gonna have to try and make it back down, but look at that for a view. That is nearly, this is living. It was worth the risk. It was worth the time off. Look at that, that is the full of LA. Right.
So basically, we've just finished the hike in Hollywood, and we're obviously really hungry. So Alan's basically gone to the toilet to have a wank because he's in Chipotle, which is his favourite restaurant. Doesn't get it in Newcastle. You don't really get anything in Newcastle, to be honest with you. I think basically there's a Greg's on every corner in up north, but that's about it. So he's proper buzzing. Right, so he's gone to the toilet for a little tug, and then he's probably going to get himself a big burrito. I come here all the time. I live in London, so.
I have a really strong relationship with food. What is going on over here?
Just doing some tricep stuff.
You're doing some tricep stuff. He loves it. He loves it. We're such a cool team. If you ever...
What's mine?
Can you stop singing? I'm going like anyway, Mayfair Hotel LA has been really kind for putting us up all week, and they're amazing. So if you're in LA, go check them out. Right.
Go to the Mayfair Hotel.
Go to the Mayfair Hotel. This is what.
Hire me as an Uber driver.
Oh right. So basically, what happened is you had a really bad time last night, didn't you? Because I was really offensive, and then now somehow I've managed to get a lift to the airport. So Uber drivers are really great here, aren't you? Mm-hmm. Do you come with do you have bottles of water in your cab?
I absolutely do not.
No? What do you have? What is the experience going to entail?
Some really rough driving.
Some really
fun
rough,
though.
Some really rough driving.
It's like a roller coaster. Hands and feet inside the vehicle at all times.
Okay. Well, we've got rules. You should set the tone. I think we're gonna get married because I don't actually want to leave LA and I need a green card. But after that, we can do I still get to stay here if I divorce you after that?
5 years.
5 years.
But we don't have to like live together and shit.
Okay, 5 years. I think I can power through 5 years, to be fair. Maybe I could just feed you and then you can just let me do whatever I want. I'll just,
Yeah.
I'll pay the maintenance and stuff. No kids though, I'm not into that.
A dog.
A dog, I can do a dog.
4 dogs?
Yeah, 4 dogs. What type of dog?
Or like a goat. Like one of the epilepsy goats.
What, like
They,
a miniature
fall over.
goat?
I don't know.
We could get loads of micro pigs.
Yes!
Anyway, apart from that, we're having a really great time. Sam's ill. He doesn't know what to do with himself. Sam is really ill. I can't remember what your car's like from last night, to be quite honest, because I was that pissed. No, I was really drunk and I can't remember what the car looks like. So I don't know where we're going. Get ready for... Anyway, we're going to the airport. Don't crash the car. Fucking hell.
I can put you in a log cabin.
This is
somewhere in Aspen. Girl, ain't nothing to the pain, ain't tricking if you got it. What
Hold
you
on, I'm gonna play my anthem again.
need to stop braking suddenly.
Somewhere in Wisconsin. Like I said,
We're done. We're done.
Okay, you ready?
Right, come on then. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Bad boy.
You've got a rap?
Tough ass, so fat, got it, nigga, like, whoa.
Anyway, LA has been amazing, Vegas has been amazing. I hope you've enjoyed the vlog. Do all that stuff, like subscribe and like and stuff.
This is the start of many.
But this is the start of the Adam and Sam series.
If you want us to go, which country do you want us to go next? We'll just go there and make loads of crazy content.
Comment below what country you want to see us to do next. But anyway, the next vlog you'll see, it might be a one at home, but I'm going to Poland, then Belgium, then Jamaica. So there's a lot of travel vlogs coming up. So peace. We are going to go die now because we need 11 hours sleep on this plane. But it's been emotional.
Peace.
P.S. I think I got myself an accidental girlfriend, didn't I?
Right at the end.
Right at the end.